Welcome, fellow seekers of energy and vitality, to our high-powered journey through the wonders of nature. Today, we direct our focus towards a botanical powerhouse that radiates an electrifying energy, Neem. Get ready to tap into the invigorating potential of this remarkable plant as we explore its dynamic benefits. This is the episode that will charge your spirits and ignite your enthusiasm. So let's dive into the world of energetic Neem together. Neem, scientifically known as Zadirachta indica, is a force of nature when it comes to vitality and vigor. This majestic tree, with its evergreen leaves and blossoming flowers, embodies the essence of energy, offering a remarkable range of benefits for our well-being. Let's unleash the electrifying power of Neem. Feast your eyes on the electrifying Neem. With its lush green foliage and delicate white flowers, this plant pulsates with life force and carries a revitalizing aura. Its energetic properties are ready to be harnessed to invigorate our body, mind, and spirit. Neem is not only known for its skincare and medicinal properties but also for its ability to infuse us with vitality. Let's explore the dynamic benefits of this botanical powerhouse and witness its energetic effects on our well-being. First up, we have the magnificent Neem extract, a true energizer. Packed with antioxidants, Neem revitalizes our body at a cellular level, boosting our natural energy levels and enhancing overall vitality. It supports the body's natural detoxification processes, providing a fresh surge of energy and a renewed zest for life. But the energizing properties of Neem extend beyond mere physical vitality. Incorporating Neem into our fitness routines or yoga practices can amplify our performance and deepen our connection to the present moment. By infusing our workouts or yoga flows with the invigorating essence of Neem, we create a harmonious synergy of mind, body, and spirit. Let's not forget the captivating world of energizing herbal teas. By brewing a cup of Neem tea, we unlock the inherent vitality of this plant. Sipping on this invigorating elixir can awaken the senses, sharpen mental focus, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. It's the perfect pick-me-up when you need an energetic boost. As we immerse ourselves in the energetic realm of Neem, it's important to choose authentic and high-quality Neem products to fully experience its dynamic benefits. Seek out reputable sources and ensure that you're receiving the full energetic potential of this extraordinary botanical treasure. And there you have it, fellow seekers of energy and vitality. The electrifying energy of Neem has sparked our souls and invigorated our beings. Embrace the power of this remarkable plant, immerse yourself in its energy, and let your inner spark shine bright. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the energetic world of Neem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more high-voltage episodes that empower you to live your most energetic life. Until next time, unleash your inner dynamo and let Neem's energy propel you forward.